Good morning and welcome to all of you. This is the Bombay Chambers Young Bombay Forums Initiative. We have with us today Captain Sunisha Shankar, who is going to give us a very different topic. It's called the inertia to immunity. This is a great way to create the mind and body rhythm to match with whatever is going on with the outside world within what is inside you.
Humans need everything: mental, physical, psychological, spiritual. So we cannot do away with like this or that. It's a very precise mix of harmony within. Human resilience builds immunity. So let's create some resilience for over the 2 days, and you will understand human resilience. And we will be doing movements, basic basic language of breathing, and some sharing of creative activities and understanding why it helps us to bring immunity to our body. I'll count 1 2 3 and you'll say, like, you have to show me how do you feel like born with the wings. You have to show me. Yeah, you have to get out of your inertia and let your body move a little bit. Okay. So the golden rule of immunity is joy, is to create joy. No matter how much of running you can do, no matter how much of good food you eat, if we do not have connectivity from within, your heart is not opening.
Very, very rarely I have come across such a lively. I'm a trainer myself, so I've come up very rarely such energy. Super.
Felt what I'm trying to drive home is that it's not what we do, it's how we do it, which will make immunity a prized possession for you. Immunity is simple. The complication, the its science is complex, but then the interface is as gorgeous as the iPad. Like, it's very gorgeous. Yeah. So the science coding, we are not interested.
We like the concept of micro exercises and also doing things in a fluid way, in a very small and very with less jerks in life. And we all have become used to, as you rightly mentioned, we have become obsessed with everything fast, everything more, and everything high. So thank you. It has been a wonderful session, and I have seen a lot of smiles on my face as well as my team's face. So different from generally how we meet and how we chat.
So congratulations. For 3 minutes, you were into complete mindfulness. This is the state of focus or concentration we are looking at when you're happily involved in your man, what you're saying or thinking, and your body is together.
I've been doing so many exercise, but this is the one which connects to your mind also. Like, when you do exercise, we concentrate on arms, legs, or whatever the body part you want to do. But this one is really difficult as well as very amazing to connect your mind and body.
Now put all your awareness on your breath. Put all your awareness on the nose, where the breath is coming in and out. ऐसा नाक से अंदर जाती है, अंदर तक जाती है और कैसे बाहर आ जाती है. And now check the sensations, what is happening inside your body. Just check from feet to your head.
Thank you very much for giving this piece of micro exercise, for which basically, as I initially told, that it is the matter of head, heart and hand. So you have included each and every aspect of the human body, including the spiritual that part.
And everyone with me. And the bird is now a peacock. Become a peacock. Just do this side to side and you will become a peacock.
Going back to the childlike ways, gives you so much of joy, so much of happiness. This was something unique which I've experienced.
Just pick up a song and just try to do this. Just shake. Basically, the topic is shake it out. Okay? Shake it out. Amit, your hands up.
This was a good experience. The micro exercise was really good. And one more thing I noticed that in front of all my colleagues, I got rid of my shyness. We were all dancing and there was no shy. Initially, I felt a little awkward or let me be frank. But now I feel that everybody is enjoying. Let me also enjoy. And that element has come in. So the shyness has gone. I'm seeing Balmiki smiling there and Chirag all along is smiling. Then I thought, let me also smile. So I felt really good. Thank you.
No, joint lubrication exercises. So 3 things you need to stretch on a day-to-day life. Your joints, legs, ankle, knee, everything. Your spine, yeah, legs, spine, and your, joints, spine, and your muscles. 3 things you need to stretch on a day-to-day basis.
Micro exercise. I learned in 1990s. I had military training in Bhosla Military School. There, before martial art courses, they generally used to give us all these things from head to toe. Each and every body part and joint needs to be exercised. And especially the face expression and this thing, I think in my whole life, first time I had done all those things.
That's why it is so important to move like this, because the energy has to revive, the air inside the body has to revive, and the Panch Pranas has to revive.
It was beautiful getting connected with your mind and trying to have that rhythm of breath. That was very important and it was fantastic. Felt like a child after so many days. Coming 9 to 5 or 9 to 8 every time in the office is tiring, is stressful. So relieved a lot of stress. So that's important to be good.
Since I've been studying on immunity, believe me, joyfulness actually counts. So let's create some joyful moments for us.
I was trying to make my kids like me. Today I enjoyed to become like them. It was very good. And I enjoyed my kids.
And I will teach you a few basic breathing exercises or how to breathe. Yeah, because we need to know how to breathe, because COVID is all about, it attacks our lungs. So if we keep our lungs very, very kind of healthy and laughing, smiling, joyfulness, whatever we did today, you have given a big dose of, your brain is like young, neuroplasticity has increased, and we had a wonderful time.